Next, we are going to be going on our color brushes. Ta-da! This is my comb color brush so that I can section out, brush the hair, and also add my color. It's a great all-in-one purpose comb, which I really like to do if you're really trying to get saturation throughout the whole head. You keep going back and forth, and it has really soft bristles, which is really nice, so you can feather it out if you're gonna be doing like a shadow root or something like that. This is my all-time favorite, the Redken small short one to do a touch-up. I love it. This is my favorite one. It's harder bristles, so you can really get in there all the way through. Tip, trick, boop, 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 tip, trick. What you can do is you can take some hairspray and spray it on this, and you can come over and you can dust the hair if you're on set and you're doing last looks, and it will smooth down all those flyaways. Great little handy thing to have both in your kit and when you're doing hair color. And now this one I get a lot of questions about because this is one of my all-time favorite tricks. Now that I have, they actually made a brush now. I used to just use a blush brush. Now Redken has come out with their smudging brush. So this brush is great for the roots. You take it, you have your color on your root, and then you're going to come and you're going to buff out those edges of colors so that you don't have that harsh line of demarcation in the hair. So this is what's going to help you put in roots into your hair. You don't understand. My assistant is here and her head just exploded on camera. So this is another good one. As I said, I used to just use a blush brush, but now they have a synthetic fiber brush that actually is made by Redken. So make sure you do check them out. They have some great tools. Sometimes they just come and go, but this is a definite in my kit. And my next one is a wooden brush. One, I use it to clean all of my lace. So this is what I use to keep my 99% alcohol in to clean my lace. So we're gonna pretend that we have gauze. This is how we're gonna do it. So you take 2 to 5, you get it soaking wet, you put one in underneath, one in on top, and then you go and you clean your whole lace. Then say if you're going to have like glue around on the sides, you're gonna come in, you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna clean your lace. So that's the one thing that I do. So number 2, I use it for edges. And both for males, females, every ethnicity, this is what I'll use. I'll come in and I can scrape the sides. You definitely have to ask makeup if you wanna make sure to get the sideburns, but if you do both, I will do the sideburns as well. This is a great brush to keep and blend it down.